Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2015 Street Glide Special in color red. With a 103 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Comes equipped with docking hardware, hard lockable saddlebags, premium audio, engine guard, upgraded grips, and a Screaming Eagle exhaust. This bike only has 1,118 miles, and let's listen to that exhaust. Sounds amazing. It's fresh out of detail, fresh out of service, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.